Let's take a closer look at this RIDGID shop vac. This is approximately 4 gallons in capacity. They range all over in different capacities for all kinds of different jobs. This particular small one is perfect for around the house, doing your automobile. You get a larger unit size, it would be great for demolition, cleaning up your workshop. This is the inlet which goes to the hose that is supplied. I went ahead and bought additional accessories, you can see here, for different types of jobs, and then a long-handled extension so I don't have to bend over. Let's talk about the accessories for a moment. I needed to point out some important information. This particular size, which is a smaller shop vac, uses a smaller diameter hose and the respective connections. If you go to a very large shop vac, which I've used for my demolition projects and shop work, the hose is much larger and it takes a unique set of attachments, so they are not able to convert one to the other without some kind of a fitting. One more piece of advice, this unit here, or end fitting, is perfect for cleaning our in-house tile. It picks up all the debris. We use it every week or two, and we completely go through the entire tiled surface to clean up any debris, and then it's ready for mopping or steam cleaning once that is complete. The shop vacs are on rolling casters. There are 4 on this unit. Can move it anywhere you need. Pull behind you when you're working on it. Inside there are filters. One filter, and it can be for different types of jobs. Some of them have HEPA filters for cleanliness, others for wet situation, but this is for both wet and dry pickup. It can be used on any type of job. I highly recommend this. Everyone needs a shop vac, no matter what size you have.